Good morning. Okay, so you can see under the module for this week, you're down here Thursday and Friday, so that means you have today and tomorrow to complete the Gearing Up assignment. You click Gearing Up. You have a video you need to watch right here. It is 3 minutes and 31 seconds long. Watch the video. Okay? It's not me. Then you need to watch this video here because it goes over the bike. Then you need to watch or click here because you're loading your assignment in Kami. So you got to read some stuff. This talks about the front and the back of the bike, the parts on the bike, the pedal. These are the front gears, the rear gears. That thing right there, it's called the rear derailleur, so it moves stuff. That's the front derailleur, how to shift gears, all that fun stuff. And then you can watch the video again. It is the same video that you watched before, but you need it so that you can answer question number 1 and question number 2 about each time a pedal goes around, which gear set, the front or the rear, goes around once. Well, I show you in that video. And then when the rear wheel goes around once, which gear set, the front or the back, goes around once. I show you that in the video also. So then you'll go over here to text box and you'll answer the questions. Okay? And then you got to do a little math. If the bicycle has 2 gears in the front and 5 gears in the rear, how many different combinations are possible? I just fell off my chair. And then you need to justify your answer. So basically, why did you say what you said? Okay. Now you got to do a little bit of gear ratio combinations. This is way easier than it looks. So we're using a practice bike that has 2 gears in the front, 30 and 24. So you can see it's listed down here, 30, 24. And then it says the bike has 5 gears in the back with 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So you'll fill in, like this one's already filled in 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So it's already done for you. So your job is to come up with the possible combinations of gears in this format. Number of teeth on the front, number of teeth on the back, rear. So you can see they did 30 and 8. So they did parenthesis 30, comma 8, and parenthesis. So then for this one, it would be 30, 12. Get it? Okay. So you're going to fill that in for all of these. And that's what you need to get done for Thursday. You can go on. I am not grading this on Thursday unless you submit it to be finished. Don't submit it until the entire assignment is finished. But your goal is to get through this number 4 on Thursday. So then you have 5, 6, and 7 on Friday. So number 5, you have to do a little bit of math. You have a front gear that has 24 teeth and a rear gear that has 12 teeth. So you got to think, the pedal goes around once, how many times is the rear gear and wheel, because remember, the wheel and the gear move the same amount, hint, hint. How many times does the rear one go around? You just got to do a little bit of math. You're just multiplying. It's okay. And then you got to set up your gear ratio. So remember, gear ratio is we're doing front gear compared to back gear, and then you reduce it into simplest terms. And this is what is talked about in the video. So then you need to do it with a gear ratio where the front gear is 24 and the back gear is 8. Okay. And then you get to fill this all in. So this is just the same as what you did in number 2. This is it number 2? No, number 4. Number 4. Okay. So this column right here is the same as you did in number 4. This is where you come up with your gear ratio, and this is the one where you got to do a little bit of math. You can do it. It's great. And then don't forget to turn in. I think there's a button up here. Yeah, submit, turn in up here. You need to do that. And then you also need to submit it on Canvas when you are finished. And remember, this is not due until Friday, but don't let it get behind. And don't forget to do your email check-in to be